How's it going, everyone? This is Chris Crypto, and I wanted to let you guys know that I finally found a place where you can go buy these parts in person, like the air filter aftermarket, or even better, that some people have trouble trusting or finding, the Mikuni carbs. And I even have an axle right here that they did have to order, but it was no problem at all. And yeah, this is for a 250 Apollo db-36, and I went and just got these. Well, actually, I went down there to get this axle, and long story short, I felt like I was in heaven down there. Honestly, they had show bikes, they had parts, they have a service place, right next to them. That's theirs. And I just got this bike just a few weeks ago, and a lot of you know right away that you want to change out the carbs to either a Nibby or Mikuni or even another PC30, and it's just hard to trust those sites. Even some of the sites that you get says Mikuni on it, and they'll charge you 80 bucks or whatever, and it's not even a legitimate Mikuni. Well, I'm here to tell you that I did a lot of research, and I found a place. It's a mom and pop's place. It's family owned. The mom, the dad, the son, and a few cousins work there. And I went in there, and they had a lot of things like this. I got this air filter that's doubled. It's great. It's better than like the K&N looking style ones, he told me himself. And I snagged this for like 90 bucks. It's a Mikuni. Yeah, you could probably get it for 60 or 80 or maybe even 90, but I've seen them up to 120, and half of them are knockoffs. So honestly, this place was great. So you guys, I am going to let you know exactly where it is. Only thing you need to do is just like and subscribe, at least that, because I wouldn't mind my channel blowing up, because I'm going to continue to help you guys. I honestly, check it out, I took off one of those California emissions things right off the front. You can tell this is brand new. I didn't cut it. I didn't have to. This pipe right here is still on there. It's on the other side. I just plugged it up. I'll show you how I did that. That was one of the very first things I did. I didn't have to buy nothing to get a little extra, oomph out of it and take some of those emissions off. I took that out. But yeah, I went down there and I found it. So I will leave a description and everything of where I got it. All you guys gotta do is like and subscribe, and I'll continue to give you more. I'm gonna put this stuff on and show you, what else I got and what else I'm gonna do to it. The exhaust, obviously the carb, the air filter. I took this off. There's gonna be some more things. You do want to get yourself one of these. I'm gonna tell you real quick. You do want to get yourself a spoke wrench right here. You're definitely gonna need a spoke wrench, because after a couple rides, these are gonna loosen up, and you can have an untrue tire. So there'll be more to follow. That's it.